Today, we will introduce you to the following 3 art installation forms: Immersive Art Experience, Interactive Media Arts, Lighting Installation Art. First, introduce Immersive Art Experience. Through the large screen and all-round projection technology, the audience can immerse themselves in the grand art world. Each work is enlarged and refined, allowing you to feel the shock and delicacy of art surrounded by vision. Compared to the previous immersive projection, interactive immersive projection adds advanced sensing equipment. It can change the art form with every audience movement and interact with the artworks in real time, making you part of the art. Next, let's explain the interesting interactive media art. These creative designs make art no longer a static display, but full of interaction and fun. Let art show its brand new artistic form with the participation of people. The last explain lighting art installation. The artistic lighting combined with interactive design can switch the lighting state through motion sensing. The lighting is no longer just a lighting device, but rather an artistic form. And the combination of modern digital lighting decoration and display scenes can also make the originally boring scenes glow with new charm. Want to know how these types of projects can be realized? Contact us directly. Not only are there affordable mature products for sale, but we can also provide customized services for your creativity.